Welcome back to Pathshala Institute of Learning. Let's we learn adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or modify a noun or a pronoun. It gives more information about what kind, which one, how many or how much. Examples of adjectives: noun, cat, black cat, the cat is black. Book, interesting book, the book is interesting. Boy, tall boy, the boy is tall. Flowers, beautiful flowers, the flowers are beautiful. People, three people, there are three people. These are adjectives. Types of adjectives: descriptive adjectives describe quality: beautiful, lazy, honest. Examples: she is a beautiful singer. She wore a beautiful dress. It's a hot day today. We took a long walk. These are the examples of adjective. Quantitative adjective tells quantity: some, much, few, then. Examples: he has 10 apples. She has 3 cats. We need some sugar. There is little water left. Demonstrative adjectives point out specific things: this, that, these, those. Examples: I like this car. This book is interesting. That car is expensive. These shoes are comfortable. Possessive adjective show ownership: my, your, his, her, own, their. Examples: that is my bag. My name is Shara. That is his bicycle. We love our country. Interrogative adjective used in question: which, what, whose. Examples: which color do you like? What movie are you watching tonight? Whose pen is this? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe some more videos.